this morning to late this afternoon. Impacts at 7.0 feet. Water begins to overflow the lowest banks on both sides of the creek into adjacent wooded areas. At 9.0 feet, flooding begins on Bridle Drive in Middletown Township. At 10.5 feet, Route 413 near Bridgeton Pike in Middletown Township is subject to closures due to flooding. Additional details at 3:15 a.m. Thursday. The stage was 7.8 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 10.6 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 10.5 feet on October 1st, 2010. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood